Guys, welcome to my another video. So I think we have a problem with the Chromebook, right? So let us check what type of computer is. So this computer is Dell computer. Here go to power. So here go to power, and here's reload. Now first power off, and click on reload. Now it's off, right? Now it's off. Since it's off again, now let's wait. So let's first count 1 2 3. Now let's open again. You can see the red light coming up. Okay, come on. Okay, so this computer is actually Chrome OS. Well, the black screen or white screen, it happened like that. Mostly it's the problem you get when you have like this. Now let us check if the computer is going good. My computer is now going good right now. If you like this video, please do like and share, and remember to subscribe to this video if this video is helpful to you. And this is me again, YouTuber Mr. Panther, and bye.